So Matt told me that the shingles were slamming against the side of this house right here.
That's right. And when we were walking with Matt, and it was slamming against the side, he kind of made it as a joke. Hey, they were so strong. They're coming from the neighbors, and they were hitting, here and here and here. And we just probably clean that up, no big deal. And what I was explaining to Matt, and now he kind of understand that this is not pre-loss condition. There was no neighbor shingles that was hitting the side of the house and wind-driven debris. And yeah, you can clean it up, but you're still going to have dents in the garage door. Again, everything is pre-loss condition. So because of that, you have dents. You cannot pull dents out of a garage door in the aluminum, and they're never going to get cleaned up the right way. So when you're going through a hurricane, and especially in a hurricane, there's so much damage, you kind of start overlooking a lot of the small stuff. And the insurance carriers, they know this. They're not going to include it in there because they're saving a little bit of money. But the small stuff is very valuable to yourself and your claim. Don't discount it as you're looking at the totality of the thing. You're gonna have to get down to the micro level. You have your roof, that's the big, you have your interior, that's the big, that's your windows, it's big, but then get down to the micro level and look for any and everything that's there. Because when you insure your home, you're insured to the value of your home. So if your value of your home is $350,000 and you have up to $350,000 in order to for your policy limits. So if the insurance is there and you're covered under that particular insurance, you might as well put in everything you possibly can to have the insurance company pay for it. Because at the end of the day, the beautiful part is the insurance companies cannot raise your rates based on an act of God. Now they can raise rates for the whole zip code, but they cannot raise individual rates based on a claim. So because of that, you want to make sure that everything that is damaged is properly covered by your carrier, and the rates are going to go up regardless because it's by the zip code. It is not by the individual. So make sure that you go to a micro level and look at the little things here all the way through. Make that a point, put in a claim for the garage door. Now the same goes for AC units and all the different things, but we'll cover that in the next chapter.